Hi, everybody, and welcome to Lesson 7 in Religion 325. This week you'll be studying sections 106 to 108 entitled The Holy Priesthood. It's pretty simple. You read the same thing, same type of material as you did before in the last few weeks, and you should be good to go with your reading. Take your assessment um, as you've done in the last few weeks and move right on to the Gospel Research and Writing Project. This is a little bit different, but it's pretty simple and straightforward. They're going to want you to read and ponder section 107, 99 through 100, and then carefully review and ponder section 107 in order to create an idea tree. This is basically just a visual map on a page of how you see the priesthood from your readings in section 107. You title the idea tree priesthood. There's some helps here by this mapping PDF file here. Some other helps about Semitic mapping. You might want to Google that. But basically, you have just draw how you see it from section 107. Then take a scan of it with your scanner, or maybe even take a picture with your phone and upload it and dump it into the research and writing assignment here on iLearn 3.0. If you have trouble with that, you can email that to me directly and I'll get it in and get you some credit for that as well. So don't stress out trying to get it scanned. Just take a picture of it if you have to, and then attach it to the file, and you should be good to go. It may be a little bit different in 3.0, and if there's problems, again, just send it to me as an attachment in an email if you have trouble. I prefer it in the lesson itself, but if you can't do that, just attach it or just attach it to an email and send it to me. Then the research and writing report needs to be between 500 and 600 words. You're used to that again by now. With these 6 questions here that need to be answered, I would copy these questions and then I would type my answers. So you're going to have 5 different responses. Please don't dump them all in one long paragraph or a big couple, 2 or 3 paragraphs without clearly labeling 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you do that, you're probably going to get 100% if your ideas are well written and you've met the word count requirements. Remember to put a word count on your paper or there will be a deduct. Then the other assignments, the teach one another assignments, is just like it's been in the past. Make sure you get your first post in by Wednesday, and then do your reply posts later. After that, you can do them anytime, as long as you have something to reply to within your group. If you haven't noticed, this class is divided into several groups, I believe 5, and everybody's assigned to one group, and it gives you kind of a chance to get to know the students within that smaller sphere. Reflection assignment, again, put that in and take care of that by making sure you write reflection and then making use of the space under it to write your paragraph about your inspired aha moment or one-liner, and make sure you get that in. And then, of course, the post you're supposed to teach one another used to be called Teach One Another 2, but it's the Teach One Another again assignment, I guess, what they're calling it now. But anyway, basically, you need to answer A, who you shared with, B, what you shared, and C, what you learned from this experience. Make sure B and C have a little substance to them. If it's all in one sentence, you won't get full credit. But if you get a couple, 2 or 3 sentences on B and a couple, 2 or 3 sentences on C, you're going to be just fine. Again, the assignments and due dates are the same as they've been in the past. First post by Wednesday in the discussion boards. Research and writing assignment due by Wednesday night as well. And then the other stuff is due by the end of the week on Saturday night at midnight. Anyway, I hope you're having a great week and doing well. Most assignments are coming in fine. If there's something you need adjusted, you look at scores. I'm hoping that you can see the feedback. I try to leave some sort of feedback on most assignments, and if you're not seeing any feedback, let me know, because it may be something I'm doing wrong in iLearn 3.0. I worry sometimes with this switchover. I've not been able to do something that allows the students to see things, and I knew that was the case with a couple of assignments this past week. So you should be seeing most of your assignments graded. I'm trying to do most of my grading for the week's assignments on Mondays. I have a little time after work between then and family home evening. I get a lot of that done, and so you can see fairly quick how you did, and maybe not repeat the same mistakes in the next assignments. Anyway, have a great week. If there's a question, call me, email me, send me a text, whatever. I'll be glad to help you in any way. Thanks. See ya.